The army song. What? The army song. Huh? The army song. Army have what? What? March along, sing our song. The fuck is you talking about? I've been in the army for 2 goddamn years and I've never heard no army song. Never heard no march along. What? Like, we're the army of the free. What? You got me confused out here. Count the brave, count the true, who we fought to victory. Since when? Dude, why y'all just be trying to add stuff? Y'all be trying to add extra stuff. I've never. Show me the rules. Show me the regulations, man. Show me some proof at least. We're the army, proud of our name. I did not know. Now I gotta learn this too. We're the army, proudly proclaim. It's just another thing. I done already try to learn the first to fight for the right and to build a nation. And the army growing. I'm already trying to learn the Soldier's Creed. And by the way, you messed up. You messed the part up in the Soldier's Creed. And I'm already trying to learn that with you messing it up, and now you're talking about there's an army song. What is the army song? Like, what is the army song? Like, how does it go? Tell me how it goes so I can hurry up and learning, man. I'm trying to join the army, man. I'm trying to join. Proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won, and the army goes rolling. Then it's high, hey. The army's on its way. There's so much. It's just too much. Like, come on, dude. Like, why is you doing this to me? Come on now. I thought it's gonna be, too easy. Like, I thought we was just gonna join and be soldiers. I thought, I ain't had to learn none of this extra stuff, man. But now I'm out here learning the army song, talking about something. You talking about some march along, sing our song. What are you talking about, dude? I'm really getting frustrated at you right now, bro. What are you talking about? Talking about some march along. I'm not trying to know march along. I'm trying to be a soldier, man. Count off the cadence, loud and strong. You ain't never heard that Soldier Boy? That's what I'm trying to be. I'm trying to Superman that you. I'm not trying to know march along. I'm trying to Superman that. Yeah, you say that, then we good. You know what I'm saying? Superman that. We can crank that. We can crank that 1 time, 2 times. That's all you gotta say, man. That's all you gotta say, baby. We out here, baby. Hey, you will always know that the army goes rolling along. That's all you gotta say. We get hype, man. That's all you gotta say. But though, at the end of the day, I'm gonna have to learn this. Go ahead and teach me your ways. Teach me your ways, CJ. Take it away. You're welcome. You're welcome.